today we are putting on a PS Deuce kit. Some cleaner fenders, and I'm going to pull those rears off and see how badly the quarter panels are cut out. And I think we're going to go ahead and try to replace those. So we're going to get started to pull these flares off.
I'm at Burger King with my Burger Queen. Jump!
So we got the front end off. I did a compression test, everything came out good, 150 on all four. It's losing coolant somewhere, and I decided to throw a tester on it. And it's dumping out of the hose there, but the floor is soaked. So this needs a heater core. Luckily we have one, I just don't feel like swapping it out. I'm gonna go ahead and put some fenders on here, put the bumper on, and that's about it for now. So BRB. Yep, we got the fenders on. They're a little rusty, but they're not cut. I gotta figure this gap out. It's catching right there. It ruined the paint, it's whatever. But yeah, this is definitely a lot better than the cutout fenders that were on it. There wasn't even a clamp on this coolant hose. I had to put a clamp on there. I disconnected the blow-off valve. Turbo flutter sounds way cooler in my opinion, don't you think? Yeah. We gotta go get some coolant. Get rid of those halos still, I forgot about. We're gonna go ahead and throw on the bumper and the skirts real quick. So yeah. Ta-da! So we got the kit on. It's fiberglass. It doesn't fit very good. I got drill some new holes, make that fit better. That's just self-tapered on for now, because I gotta do a lot of body work to get this thing cleaned up before it gets wrapped. Got the bumper off. Had to fix a little piece on the bumper so I could even get it mounted on. Didn't want it sagging. Definitely looks a lot better than flares. So this little tab over here actually broke off, so I had to cut out an angled section out of there and fiberglass that on. It's still very, very wet. It's also very, very cold, so that's not even dry yet. But once that is on, it will look complete, minus the rear quarters. We're also going to change the hood, put a stock one back on it. Not a big fan of the vents. But yeah, I think that's all. There's actually, with this sitting up there, there's quite a gap right there. I'm going to put something below that to help kind of hold it up. So I'll show you that here in a second. Yeah, I give up on that. Fiberglass is still not dry, so I'm gonna wait for that to dry, drill a new hole, get all the shit put on. I still gotta cut out the little screw thing, but overall, it looks a lot better than it did. Until next time.
Oops.